Alright, so in the last two videos, we started with market and consumer research and saw how we could use ChatGPT for this purpose. But now it is time to take it forward and bring it closer to your work. So I'm going to use Jira and Confluence for demonstration purpose using a free account. You can also register for free at this website and start using it. If you want to avoid using these tools, use the Word, Pages, Excel, or any other such application to follow along. But if you are a fresher, college grad without any real product management or business analyst experience, I would highly recommend you to use these tools because then you can work on the real projects and add them in your CV. So it will be a great learning for you. Anyway, so we want to capture information regarding market research because you would be working with some tool to document your analysis. Presentation, Excel, Pages, Microsoft Word, whatever you use, but you have to use some tool to document your analysis and data. So here I have got a list of my primary competitors. When working on new product, you shouldn't focus on every rival, but only on primary or bigger ones. So based on this competition, and just to highlight, anything and everything which you see here, everything is coming from ChatGPT. So I will try to show you both the screens, which is ChatGPT as well as Jira or Confluence. Right now I'm in Confluence. But even if I don't show you any particular command in ChatGPT, everything is coming from there. So I'm using ChatGPT to get data from there and then putting in these documents so that you know what exactly you will be doing, just to keep it real, close to your work. So coming back to competition. So based on this competition, I have asked ChatGPT to create a SWOT analysis for my company. Now this is one of the first thing you need to do, whether you use SWOT or Porter's framework or any other framework to do some kind of analysis to understand the market, your competition, and your position. So I have used SWOT analysis for this purpose. You can use Porter's framework or any other framework you like. So we will continue with this for now. And for my SWOT analysis, I have used Urban Company, House Joy, Helper, and Quicker Service. These are big prominent players in this space in India. And I have just copied and pasted everything in this doc in Jira. So you can see that information is quite comprehensive. For the scope of this course, I am just focusing on demonstration of the capability, like how you can use ChatGPT to do SWOT analysis, but feel free to play with it and use probing questions to further refine your analysis. As you can see, this SWOT analysis also talks about the attack and other strategies. What I'm trying to highlight is that I have used probing questions to further enhance the quality of my work, quality of my output. So it is not just a SWOT analysis. So I will say it is quite perfect, especially for some junior or mid-level product manager or business analyst. This is really a good information because it is not just something at a high level, but it also captures details. In the last video itself, I talked about the user. So in this video, I'm going to focus on user persona and mapping their journey. So in the last video, we got these 4 users for this app. Now let's try to use ChatGPT to create a user persona, highlight the pain points of domestic helpers, and continue with our analysis. So in this video, I'm going to focus on domestic helpers. So I have asked it to create a user persona for it. Now I have combined user persona and journey mapping. Feel free to do it as you like. You can have separate documents for these. Now it provides me with comprehensive information given there is no similar big product or market. For example, if you are in a standard or well established market like a social app, it will have a lot of references. I'm quite certain that the output will be even better in those cases. For this scenario, there are few apps in the market but not very big, so I don't think it has been specifically trained on such data. But I would argue that it is more competent than many junior product managers I have seen. So if you are a new product manager, I would say you have got a good friend here. It's a good asset which you can use. Especially if you look at the journey, everything here comes from the ChatGPT. whether it is stages or pain points associated with them or even emotions. I have copied everything here from ChatGPT. I want to highlight these pain points because many product managers and business analysts need help to start at these. If they can get this list to brainstorm or discuss with their team, then they can make significant progress. And this is where ChatGPT shines, which is to provide you good information to begin with. Now, in real life, you will take these and discuss with your team and refine them. But for this course, I'm okay to move forward. In the next few videos, we will continue using ChatGPT to move forward with this case study. And then we will write product requirements, we will do prioritization using ChatGPT, and so many other activities. And I will continue to use Jira and Confluence to show you how it will bring value to your actual work. Thank you.